गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. ऑनलाईन शिक्षणाने सुरू झालेल्या 2020-21 या नवीन शैक्षणिक वर्षात मी सौ शेरकर US तुम्हा सर्वांचे स्वागत करते. कोरोना साथीच्या पार्श्वभूमीवर सध्या शाळा बंद आहेत. नियमित प्रत्यक्ष शाळा सुरू होण्यास विलंब लागू शकतो, परंतु शिक्षण प्रक्रिया सुरूच राहणार आहे. त्यासाठीच आपण या ऑनलाईन शिक्षणाला सुरुवात केली आहे. तुम्हा सर्वांजवळ आत्ता पाठ्यपुस्तके नाहीत, त्यामुळे आपण सुरुवात ग्रामरने करूया. सो वेलकम इन दिस ऑनलाईन एज्युकेशन. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच मीन्स इन मराठी शब्दांच्या जाती. There are 8 parts of speech in the English language. They are noun. Noun means naam, pronoun, sarvanam, verbs, क्रियापद, adjectives, विशेषण, adverbs, क्रिया विशेषण, prepositions, शब्दयोगी अव्यय, कंजंक्शन्स, उभयान्वयीन अव्यय आणि इंटरजेक्शन, केवल प्रयोगी अव्यय. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टँड ईच ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. फर्स्ट, नाउन. Noun is a naming word. It is the name of a person, animal, thing, etc. In Marathi, we call it naam. Second part of speech is verb. Verb is a word that shows an action. Verb is a word that expresses action or otherwise helps to make a statement. Every sentence must have a verb. Without verb, the sentence is incomplete. Verb means action word, or in Marathi we call it kriyapad. Now next part of speech is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. In Marathi we call it sarvanam. The pronoun is a verb used in place of one or more nouns. It may stand for a person, place, thing, or idea. There are some types of pronouns. Personal pronouns, for example, I, me, mine, you, etc. Indefinite pronouns are also there. For example, anybody, each, either, none, someone, one, etc. Demonstrative pronouns, these, that, these, those. Interrogative pronouns, who, whom, what, which, whose. All these words are WH words. Now next part of speech is adjective. Adjective is a word that describes the noun. In Marathi we call it visheshan. Adjective means the words that describes us more about nouns. For example, short lady. In this word, short is an adjective. It tells us more about the lady. Sunny day. In this word, sunny is an adjective. Soft bed. Soft is an adjective. And sweet boy. Sweet is an adjective. Now next part of speech is adverb. Adverb. In Marathi, we say kriya visheshan. An adverb is a word that says something more about a verb or an adjective or another verb. In Marathi, we call it Kriya Visheshan. An adverb modifies or describes a verb or another adverb. Some sentences are here. He ran quickly. It answers the question, how did he run? Means the answer of how. How he ran quickly. Means quickly is an adverb. She left yesterday. When did she leave? Yesterday. Means yesterday is an adverb. We went there. Where we go? There. There is an adverb. Next part of speech is the preposition. Preposition is a word that shows the relation between two words. It shows the relation between the word before it and a noun or pronoun that follows it. For example, a book is on the table. In this sentence, on is a preposition. The children climbed the mountain without fear. Without is a preposition. The spider crawled slowly along the railing. Along is preposition. The dog is hiding under the porch because it knows it will be punished for chewing up a new pair of shoes. In this sentence, under and for. These are the examples of prepositions. Now some common prepositions are here. Learn these prepositions. Some we use in our day-to-day life. For example, behind, below, beyond, by, down, etc. Next part of speech is conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins a word or group of words. In Marathi, we call it Ubhayanvayi Avyay. For example, and, or, either or, neither nor, but. These are the examples of conjunction. Next part of speech is interjection. It is an exclamatory word that expresses emotions. For example, wow, look at that sunset. What a cute baby. These exclamatory words, these words are the interjections in this sentence. So students, today we get the knowledge of 8 different types of parts of speech. I hope you will understand it. Each information I gave you here is in English. Now, within 5 minutes, I will explain it in Marathi. शब्दांच्या 8 जाती आहेत. तुम्हाला मराठीत माहीत आहेत. त्याच इंग्लिशमध्ये आहेत. नाउन, वर्ब, प्रोनाउन, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह, ॲडव्हर्ब, प्रेपोजिशन, कंजंक्शन आणि इंटरजेक्शन. जर तुम्हाला मराठीतील शब्दांच्या जाती व्यवस्थित येत असतील तरी तुम्ही इंग्लिशमधल्यासुद्धा ह्या 8 शब्दांच्या जाती अगदी चांगल्या पद्धतीने लक्षात ठेवू शकता. जसं आपल्याला माहीत आहे की कोणत्याही भाषेचा व्याकरण हा आत्मा असतो आणि त्यामुळे व्याकरण ज्यांचं चांगलं असेल ते इंग्रजीमध्ये वाक्यरचना चांगल्या पद्धतीनं करू शकतात, इंग्लिशचे चांगल्या पद्धतीनं समजू शकतात. त्यामुळे या पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीचचा तुम्ही पुन्हा चांगला अभ्यास करा. याच्यावर आधारित एक मी टेस्ट तुम्हाला देणार आहे, ऑनलाईन टेस्ट. ती सोडवा आणि माझ्या पर्सनल व्हॉट्सॲप नंबरवर मला पाठवून द्या. थँक्यू.